So in this video of drawing dynamic poses, I chose two more poses for Pinterest. The first being a perspective pose with the kind of like a hand coming out, and the second pose being a flying pose of Goku from Dragon Ball. So with this pose, I started out with the hand first, only because I wanted to make sure that I had the hand measured out before I started working on the rest of the pose. Because of the angle of the pose, I wanted to draw the hand first and get that out. It's kind of a way for me to kind of measure it out before I start to work in the rest of the body, since the body is typically a little smaller than what the hand is, based on the camera angle. So I start out with my usual method for drawing out the kind of like drawing the shapes out. I'm trying to roughen the shapes to kind of figure out, where the fingers are going and are going to be placed. And you see in some of it where I kind of draw the tip of the finger first and then work my way into the palm, which you see me do here. So with this one, I'm starting out with the cylinder first, going out. And then with the other one, you'll see me draw out the tip of the finger first. It's kind of like a way for me to kind of figure out the distance of the fingers when I'm drawing it out, and trying to kind of like it's like almost like you're trying to see in position where the finger's going to go before you start to draw in the rest of the finger to kind of draw those bends and structure it out. So we're seeing right now, adding in the long line for that finger, so the finger's kind of like just going straight up. Well, it's bending a little bit in the palm, but then it kind of just goes straight up a little bit as you go in or go out. Adding in those separations for the three cylinders. As I mentioned in all my other hand tutorials. This typically isn't really a hand tutorial, but it kind of is, since it's a part of the pose. So you have to draw everything out, even though you're just drawing simple shapes to draw the pose out. You have to draw the hand too. The same way, if it's the feet are there, you have to draw the feet also. And you see, as I'm kind of working my way up towards the body, and you can do the body first. It all depends on the method you want to do or proceed towards creating something like this. You can start with the body, or start with the hand, or start with the head. You can go at it any way you want. Right, I'm roughing in the head right now. Since the body is pretty much done, I can kind of just draw the head and rough the head in, because you can erase it at any point. It's not really, you're not set in stone with it, because the way I started out, drawing the hand first before working way into the body. So if you're drawing or adding details to the figure, now, since everything is already laid out, you don't really have to worry about where you start with the head first or the hand first. I mean, well, you still could adding details, but everything is thrown down. So now all you have to do is just focus on adding details to whatever character you're trying to draw into the picture. So right now, since everything is pretty much done, I can just go over this, erase the whole thing lightly, and start to add in those details. But I already know the distance of how far everything is, as far as how big the head is going to be, how big the hand is going to be, because it's already laid out. And now I'm adding in that little hand on the side. This is small because it's measured out to match the head up top. Right, I'm just darkening some of the lines. I kind of made it, I boxed out just a little bit, just to kind of give it that 3D shape, just so you can kind of see, where the side of the head is in relation to the front side of the face, as well as me adding the rib cage in there to see where the chest is going to be or line up. So right now I'm just darkening some of the lines so my eyes can see it a little bit easier. Now this pose, it was a lot of different poses from Dragon Ball, and I always like drawing, if you see my old videos, I like to draw Dragon Ball Z character poses. I like to draw, muscle anatomy from the Baki series. And so I'm gonna start out with one of these of Goku in kind of like a flying pose, flying towards something. So I started with the quick method, drawing out the circle for the head, circle for the body, or rather an oval for the body. And this is a pretty straightforward, easy pose because there's not too much going on. You don't really see the bottom of the chest area. All you see is the top, but you don't see the waist at all. The waist is hidden as well as part of the legs. So you only see like really one leg popping out with the knee. And the hand is more um, the focal point of the drawing. I'm just drawing in the shapes real quick. Circle for the shoulders, cylinders for the arms, for the hands. You see I'm using this method where I mentioned before in the previous pose where I'm drawing the tips of the fingers first in this one. I think the last one I was drawing from the palm out. This one I'm drawing from the fingertips in. And it's kind of a way for me to draw kind of like the hand giving that in that claw motion. So you see me just work my way from the tip of the finger in back into the palm to kind of show that, give that little claw action with his fingers to show those bends. Because if you have a hard time drawing fingers bending in different positions, start from the tip, work your way in, do the cylinder method, 3-cylinder method I've shown before in plenty of my videos for drawing hands, and you'll get it down pat. And the more you do it and the more you practice it, the easier it becomes. So see, I'm drawing this hand pretty quickly, and since this video is in real time and not sped up, this is about as fast as I usually draw the hand. But for this video, I can draw it faster than this, depending on how fast I'm sketching it out or if I'm doing it with a different method. But the more you practice it, the easier it becomes to do it. I'm adding that other leg, getting that the other arm that's in there with the hand. Since it's leaning backwards, it's a little smaller. And that one is pretty easy. You can quickly kind of just draw it out since you're not really seeing too much of the fingers. And that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, follow, subscribe, comment for anything else you want to see, and take care.